Ever feel like there's a hidden rulebook for wealth that only the rich have access to? Like they're playing a different game when it comes to money? Well, you know what? You're absolutely right. There are certain principles the wealthy live by, but the good news is, the secrets aren't locked in a vault. Today, I'm going to break down those unwritten rules, the strategies, the mindsets, the habits that separate the wealthy from everyone else. And most importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start applying them to your own life right now. By the end of this video, you'll see money from a whole new perspective. I'll break down the secrets that keep the rich getting richer while the rest just get by. Let's get started. The first key difference: compounding. You don't need huge amounts of money to see real growth. That's a myth. Even $50 a month can grow into thousands over time. Imagine you invest $100 today with a 7% return. That $100 becomes $107 after a year. The next year you earn interest on $107. It's like a snowball effect where your money makes more money. Starting early is crucial. The longer your money compounds, the more exponential the growth. Even if you start small, consistency over time is key. Start small, start today, and stay consistent. Put that money to work for you and watch it grow exponentially over time. Most people focus on looking rich instead of being rich. They buy fancy cars, designer clothes, the latest gadgets, but these things depreciate in value. They're liabilities. The wealthy invest in assets like real estate, stocks, or businesses. These assets generate income, adding to their wealth. A liability takes money out of your pocket, while an asset puts money in. A rental property that generates passive income, that's an asset. It's about prioritizing. Ask yourself, is this an asset or a liability? Shift your mindset from consuming to owning. Build a portfolio of income-generating assets for lasting wealth. Chapter 3. They don't rely on one source of income. Relying on a single income source is a financial risk the wealthiest people avoid. They diversify their income streams for stability. If you lose your job, you lose all your income. But with multiple streams, losing one isn't devastating. Today, there are endless opportunities to create multiple streams of income. Don't limit yourself to just one source of income. Chapter 4. The rich see money as a tool. The wealthiest view money as a tool for freedom, not just for spending. They use money to open doors to opportunities and to buy back their time. Instead of chasing purchases, they ask, how can I use this money to create more freedom? This could mean investing in education, starting a business, or having the financial security to pursue passions. True wealth is about freedom, not material possessions. It's about time and resources to pursue passions and make a difference. So, how can you start adopting this mindset? Begin by defining what freedom means to you. What would you do if money were no object? What experiences would you pursue? Make financial decisions that align with those goals. Remember, money is a tool. Use it to build a life you love or let it control you. The choice is yours. Now that you've discovered what the wealthiest 1% know about money, it's your turn to act. Don't let this knowledge just sit here. Take one step today. Remember, even small steps taken consistently can lead to massive results over time. Here are a few action steps you can take right now. Start investing a small, consistent amount. Identify one liability you can convert into an asset this month. Take the first step to create an additional income stream. Imagine looking back a year from now and seeing the progress you've made. You took charge, put your money to work, and invested in a secure future. So if you found this valuable, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and let's keep building wealth together. Want to avoid the biggest financial mistakes people make? Subscribe, because in our next video, we'll cover the most common money traps and how to sidestep them on your journey to financial freedom.